To explain one likely reason for the change in UK income inequality since 2007, and the graph does start 2007. Here we have a chart with the UK Gini coefficient of incomes. This looks like a really good question. Now let's analyze this graph slightly. So what does this show? So it shows from 2007 till 2009, the Gini coefficient value stayed at 0.36. And then from 2009 to 2010, it decreased to 0.34 and stayed around there. So it decreased. So the Gini coefficient value, it decreased. And now this, it does rely on your content knowledge. What does it mean if the Gini coefficient value decreases? It means that income inequality is getting smaller. So there's less inequality, and you can say there's more equality. And I always tell my students, link inequality to Gini coefficient to the Lorenz curve. And if we're just thinking about it in terms of revision and just in terms of the Lorenz curve, so the straight line is of course the line of perfect equality, and then the bendy line is the Lorenz curve, which shows basically the degree of inequality. If the Gini coefficient value decreases, what is that going to mean for the steepness of the Lorenz curve? It means the Lorenz curve is now closer towards the perfect equality line. Since the Gini coefficient values decrease, means we're closer to equality, so we have less inequality. And of course, if the Gini coefficient value increased, it would mean there's more inequality, thus our Lorenz curve would now look something like this, so just basically further out.